We will start by disconnecting battery. So for removing the instrumental panel, we got to use T20 Torx bit, and then take the two screws in here. The Torx screws are in here, one here and one there. So I'm gonna see if it is a plug and play or we have to code it in order for it to work. I have removed both screws. Now just flip it and put it up, and you should be able to see the connector in here to your right. So that's the connector. Just press here and take it out. I'm just not gonna. Okay. So holding the camera and the connector is very difficult. So here is my instrument panel. I got the donor one. Just a second, it's here. I'm gonna take that and install it. So this one is the one from the junkyard. Hopefully the display, everything should be fine. That is why I bought it. And here is the connector. They usually cut it off, so I'll just disconnect this and put it here, make the connection properly. Just want to verify this was in the old one that we have removed, and the software version seemed to be different. This one is 894540 and this one is 834043. So let's see if it'll work or not. So I have connected the battery. Now let's see. So instrument tester is working properly. So I think it's no much big deal. The fuel gauge is there, the kilometer is showing, and RPM is fine. And what else? 4x4 will be there because we have installed new what do you call it? The cruise control over there. And let's see.